Me said to her, say, anyway, I go to go do. She said she go sort out her business. She gone in. Then she give with the man the phone named Akiwak. Me said to Akiwak, say, why Anya got station? And he must say, that on a station. And me say, yeah, station, because blue, it look like one police station. A boy say, on a station, Annie gone in a CDA office. And me say, why Annie gone in a CDA office? And him say, him is the case because when them did that say with him and the little girl, which is Annie daughter. So Annie gone in first, can talk to them, and then him a go after. And I say, oh, all right then. Done, and we did it. I think after that now, we had the little girl, Mika. We had Mika. And I say, Mika, the people them I say, and the people them in the comments I tell me say, lie, she not there to see there, she there ministry, something like that, she there ministry. Ministry, she and Zoe gone. So I come me read the comments them now, and I say to her, say, Mika, where is Zoe? You never hear me a question any pity them boy if they go to school or take up any business for me head. Me soon come to Chantel. Me not money for Chantel. And the people them say she go in a ministry. And me say, where is Zoe to Mika? And Mika say, she and mommy gonna anger business with school something. That's all the little girl said to me, you know. Me not even prolong the argument. It done. I said to her, say, oh, make sure she go. I lie, I say, make sure she go Senans be a high school. Everybody's supposed to know Senans be a high school where they are Senans being an Ochi. And then me used to go to one private school where we are green and white. Good school. I say, make sure, because I don't know why I think Annie live at Senans be. I never know say Annie live so far. I think Annie live at Ochi side. So I say, why not say, make sure go Senans be high. And Mika said, no, she have the school where she go already. I say, all right, then fine. Argument done. Me never prolong no more with her. Me never question her or nothing like that. And then this is Annie. This is what Annie have to say. So tell me if me not have all right for the Annie case this morning.
Any upset that Mecca told Vany their business. You look into it, Vanya grill you, but you're not pretty, you're not see it.
Why she think everybody are enemy?
Mika, you're there for the media, you have to look into what you're doing, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know. Because Vanya did it so nice and easy, did it with you. And I grill Vanya, and I ask you a question about your own family. Vanya have a youth to go take care of. Why Vanya open up people business so much?
Actually, I think you are a friend.
You hear that?
It no matter if I'm a friend. She come over here this morning. She talk about Rose. I don't have nothing to say about that. That is not my business. Mm-hmm. You understand me? I say free Rose Pitney. You get what me I say? Mm-hmm. I free me say free Rose Pitney. But now I go glue it off and nothing where Rose I go through. You understand what me I say? Mm-hmm. No matter what go on with Rose, me know with what go on with Rose. Me no rate what happened to what happened with our child. You understand? Mm-hmm. But at the end of the day, me say why Vanya is so invested in a people business. She over there saw grill you. Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
You're sorry about that. That's okay now. Right? You can't do what you have to do. Remember, say you're a big man. But you say certain things you have to understand. You're on the media. You don't make people use their brains for you, baby girl. You don't make people use their brains for you and skin them teeth off for you at the end of the day. Because Vanya know exactly what she's doing. Mm-hmm. She know exactly what she's doing. May I come, baby? Give me a minute. No, give me a minute. I'm coming. She know exactly what she do. I'm going to tell her the truth. What she did, me not rate that. And when me see her, me go tell her straight in her face. No matter if she pick up for me or she cuss for me not rate what she do. Nowadays, me say Vanya get too enough in a people business, bro. What Vanya need to do is mind her own business.
Upon her and them.
More while them have too much revenge on the app. True. More like a revenge, you don't want revenge people. As you don't see a person that go through certain things, you don't want to jump up and revenge a person. There's a time for everything. There's a time for things. True. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you this, because I go back in my office. Don't depend on the media make Vanya go and let you want come grill you. And ask a certain question about your family. Mm-hmm. If they want to say when they not go to school, make them say when they not go to school. Anything they want to say about you, make them go on. I say, yes, somebody jump on a chat, but just jump and go about your business. Anything what them want to make them say it.
Yeah.
May I go back inside, go do my business. What this? She too bright, man. What this? What me do? Fucking out of order. Now why do your people are talk about she can't pick me go in a party? She need to know herself, man. Bro, nobody make me have to walk my mouth and talk, man.
Oh God, man. I'm wrong with you. I shouldn't say nothing. I shouldn't say nothing with you.
She was just pressing her. I mean, I tell her be a lie. I said the whole media is a lie. So many if nobody.
Any upset that Mecca told Ivany
And
their
if you look
business.
into it, Vanya grill you.
So what wanna think about that now? Or wanna listen to that? That not so like Smaddy cause you a long time or have something for so long time. But as I say, me now say nothing no. I want her up on the live with me because this me I go tell her the things them. But if it come to a point where she don't want me on the live with her, then me just crash out. If she don't want me on the live with her, then me crash out. All we're gonna run Sharon, you know.
Vanya, want me to?
You can't take phone on the crosses family, you know, because full family are crosses, you know. You know, some generational curse. You hear me? I say, full family are one generation curse from the pit of hell. Down to the pit of hell. Annie and the whole family shall go. Because then cannot tame. Yo, long time, big woman, Annie. After me ask Mika, where is Zoe? She take me on. Go on up for Annie and make we see in the house, Chanel. Go take a taxi, me pay me send the money. Go on up for Annie and make we see in the Annie house.
Me not say nothing. You now go mix me up in a van. Me now go up there today. Me now go up there this weekend.
So when you go up there?
Yeah, cause Anya by later you and Anya friend.
Chanel, let me send you some money and you go up there go make we see in the Annie
Yeah.
house. Let me send you some money and you go up there go
Me
video in
not
the
do
Annie
that.
house.
Me not doing that. Me not do that. No, me
If you
not
do
do
it,
that.
Jagga go want you. Jagga go want
Me
you.
not doing that.
And you just come like one living horror show.
Me not doing that.
You know them long time horror show there, them long time duppy show there. I saw in Annie house look.
Me not
Come.
agree to. Me not agree to nothing way I say, Van. Cause
Annie no want
by
come
later
home.
you are Anya friend.
If Annie ever come home, she have to go come, sir. Let me see in your mouth. If Annie want come home, she have to go turn on her flash and come, sir. Let me see in your mouth. That we are talk about. We want she add me on the live. Me I wait for her because me have a bag of things today to tear down. Today. How the fuck you gonna cuss me off for asking where is Zoe? I need to out hard. I never this her. I say where is Zoe? And the people them at in the comments say Zoe gone a ministry. Suppose me don't know what ministry mean. Suppose I don't know what ministry mean. So I want to know where is Zoe? What kind of dig me and grill out? Me no need to go in any life. If me did in your life, I would agree with CDA coming to you for that. Me da ask you why you not carry Zoe go school. I realize me not entertain you and Zoe argument about school.
No, listen.
Why Zoe not go school, Chanel?
No.
Chanel, why Zoe not go school?
Me not have nothing to say. Me not have nothing to say. Cause by later you want Anya friend. Me say me not have nothing to say.
By later, she's supposed to the aunt to come answer my question them. 2 plus 2 how much? You know algebra? And them the
So
some
by
of them.
later, are you and Annie that for life turn friend? Me not have nothing to say.
So why she couldn't give you money for help take care of your grandkids? And you have money to spend on TikTok police. And you have money to spend for the year. Why she couldn't get the money for buy food for the kids them?
Of course, she give me money for buy food for me kids them. Why not? God have mercy, full
Last year,
father. Who tell her that say she not give me money?
In last year, for the life, you never said
Me
so.
say Draga send me money. Me say Draga send me money for me kids them, not for myself.
So when they ask about Anya, what you did say?
Then the time that she never send me nothing, but
Annie,
when me go
that me I
mile
say,
right there, she give me money for me
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. She never give you the money for take care of the pity them, but she can't get the money for put in your ear. Remember, Annie not really like her from day one, so go and pick up fear. She not really like
But
her.
remember,
But yeah, it's
Bonnie,
not a
that
fun.
my kids, my kids them is not her responsibility. She's just the grandmother. She know my kids them parents.
But you did the pan you willing her, you did the pan you want her to send the money do when they come over here, me that help you. Yeah, say, I say she not come give you her send and she said she gonna come. You did a wait for her to come, but she didn't show.
But I did my birthday. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about my birthday.
When you was waiting on her, she never come. But no true, she put in your ear.
She do me here for my birthday. Even though my birthday gone, she still do something for me even though my birthday gone though.
But yeah, that means you're a liar then, because you did tell us Annie never give you nothing. And Annie this she come give you, yeah, wait for her to give you.
No, she never give me anything.
Chanel, we have a live in a Chanel. You remember go say what?
Huh?
Chanel, remember thousands of people was over here. And we all here when they did that talk. Me not understand how some on the careless so.
Nobody never give me anything on the day of my birthday.
You like to come on the internet and cry so you have nothing, you know. You like to come on the internet and cry so the kids not have no money and baby father no go no nothing. But when people are spend money for the year and years, why not tell them some let me take it go buy things for my kids? That's why I can't sorry for you no. I cannot sorry for people on the internet. Because when you not have it, when you cry, Chris, you not have it.
And where you get the information from?
Money to do with some our generation curse of family this and I cover my blood clot, you know. Come back later, Chantel. Okay, come back later, Chantel. Come back later. Huh. Here. When you not come on the internet and I cry. Remember you did up on the live and me I look help for you because you say Annie never give you no money. No, I don't want you on bed. Go in your room. Mister, if you go on in your room, give me say you're not supposed to be in my room. Go. Outside. Go in your room. Give me I got Tom. Go on in your room. Alright. You guys are failing to believe the truth. I'm going to suck me my fight for take up, and if he take up, I'm going to go spank him. Stop. Hey, cut the attitude, you know. Cut the attitude. Behave yourself. Chill. And don't take up. Leave my stuff them alone. You fail to believe the truth. When Chantel come from my live, Chantel come with the intention for my people them help her get some money. Listen to this. It was our birthday. Probably one baba tea. I'm going to make him one baba tea. I'm make him one baba tea. Jesus Christ, I bubble gum each from my bed. The day when it's our birthday, Chantel come from my live with the intention to get money chat. She come with the intention to get money. Because it was her birthday and Annie never show up come send her nothing for her birthday. She asked to play one birthday match for her. I'm going to play the birthday match for her and the whole night she should come back again while me and her for run some match. She said the kids them there and she did ask Jagger up on the live before and Jagger say, why you not get something for the kids them? Something about where boy asked her and she said because me have my kids them have to eat. And he must never send her enough money. Annie never give her nothing for her birthday. Annie never give her no money for buy no blood clot food for the kids them. So at that moment, at that given moment, when you did a look money from Annie, that given moment, when I did a look money from Annie, I did want Annie to give some money for buy things for the kids them. You never did know, say, hey, chill. You never did know, say, Annie is not your responsibility. You never did know, say, Annie is not your responsibility for give nothing for your birthday or give anything for the kids them. You never did know that at the time there. So, oh no, because Annie do your ear and do your nails and your things them. Oh no, it's not her responsibility to take care of your kids. When I care this mama, because you know you're poor, you don't have the money. The time when Annie take give you money for do ear, you should have take the money there and save it and put it down for your kids them, because you know so you don't have the money and you know not every time Annie give you money. And you ever come cry and I beg money from the internet. So the time where you take money for do your ear, the $7,000 will buy how much pack a wig and for do your ear, you should have take it and put it down for your kids. That's how when you come bad about when you put it hungry, me not care about when you don't care about when the kids them. And I can't take the generation curse them. Jabas call me. Where they call me? Me there for everybody today. Make him come in at the ants nest. Where me see if me see him. Yes, me left from Anigampa and Ramgoat Chantel.